Hello, I am XIE and welcome to my channel. Today I am playing Pigeon Simulator. It was interesting. It was very chaotic and I failed the first time, but I tried to make the quality as good as possible. My mic's a little quiet, so sorry about that, but otherwise please enjoy. Okay, I'm confused. Okay, I can sprint. Hello, why is there a mic option? I can talk? What in the world? What? Oh my gosh. That's amazing. What in the world? What is this? Alright. My poo grapples things. Grapple an object and make it to the marked target. How do I... I'm so confused. Grapple an object and... Oh. Oh, wait. There we go. Oh. Okay. There we go. To shoot your targets. What targets? Where? Oh, it's the dummies. Boom. 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 Holy crap. Pigeon agents are equipped by two tools by default. Pigeon vision and pigeon scanner. How do I activate pigeon vision? Tab. Activated pigeon vision. Activate the scanner by pressing tab. Excellent. The scanner indicates the anomaly needs to be delivered to the extraction point. Actually, I'll just... Oh, come here. Oh, cool. Alright, well. Okay. Proceed in next room. Okay, pigeon vision. For your main task, agent is to search for and send us anomalies. That's an anomaly. Come. Ooh, you're an anomaly. Oh, it's just a normal box of oh, it's got eyes in it. That makes sense. Okay. Dude, that was a perfect shot. What in the world? Am I at a pigeon vision? Oh. You know, that makes sense. Alright. Go. Boom, baby. According to the scanner, we need a revealer. Buy a revealer from the store and activate it in the paranormal zone. Oh. Where in the world do I buy a revealer? Oh. By anomaly revealer. Okay. What is this? Is this a new pigeon skin? Delivering them. I don't even know what I did. But okay. The corner. The chaos is up. The city becomes more dangerous as hostile creatures begin to roam the street. Luckily, there's special gowns. To determine, it seems we'll need to buy a stabilizer, buy it and place it in the ghost zone to stabilize the chaos. Okay, chaos stabilized. Alright, next room unlocked. As chaos grows in the city, rifts to the other side begin to grow. Hostile creatures will make their way through the rift into the city. Use the scanner in the rift zone. Dimensional seal? Why is this game in depth? I thought I was just gonna fly around as like a pigeon, like in Goat Simulator. This is not what I was imagining. Alright. Alright. Don't forget to use the scanner if you see strange things. Okay. It's time to play the game. Am I recording? I am. Save slot 1. Alright. Alright. Okay, I'm confused. F250. I'm confused. I'm using my scanner and it's not helping. Pigeon-sized buttons. Oh, mission start zone. Duh. So dumb. Upgrade station. Choose map. Okay. Okay. More stamina. Okay. Well, no refunds on used gear. Oh, I have nothing. Okay. Well, this is where we start. Here we go. Okay. Well, I guess we're floating away. Open the door. I brought nothing. It's like Phasmophobia. Let's not be like Phasmophobia. I'll pee. Okay. Quota 400. Nothing abstracted so far. Okay. I saw ghosts over here. Okay, the chaos meter is low, but it's still a thing. Hey, get over here. Ow! Oh, that guy doesn't like pigeons. Hello? Hello? What if I... Oh, nice. Alright, looking for... Uh-oh. See another pigeon hater? Where's the chaos at? Here's the ghost zone. Okay, so I didn't bring anything. I think that's bad. I think I was supposed to bring things to stop the anomalies. So I think I am cooked. Because I have nothing. Honestly, I think I just have to do the ones where I drag them. I'm saving you guys. This is an evil box. An evil, very bad box. Okay. Ow. Everything good in here? I'm trying to restore the peace because pigeons are secret FBI agents. Everything normal? Alright. Not seeing anything out of the ordinary. I'm hearing some really freaky noises. Alright. I can't break the glass. Boo. Alright. Here we go. Oh my gosh. This pizza is so heavy. Okay, well, my pizza's stuck in the floor. Which is never too good. Pull it to me. Yes, there we go. Okay. Get... Ow! Dude, I can't get this pizza out of here. Alright, well, whatever. I'm giving up on that anomaly. These guys over here hate pigeons for some reason. Okay, there's an anomaly in the diner. Oh my gosh. Enter the other side? I don't... Seems terrifying. 180 bucks? Yeah, bro, I'm leaving. How do I leave the other side? Ow, I'm dying. How do I exit? Ow. It's shooting CDs at me. I can't. I don't know how to leave. I'm so confused. Well. Okay, I should probably... Hey, well. I guess we're launching again. Alright. We try again. Okay. We check for anomalies in here. Nothing too out of the ordinary. Keeping the peace to my land. Okay. Everything normal there. No problems that I see. Head up to the roof. Check for any bad. Not seeing any. Nice, okay. This building is all good. Head into the bowling alley. Just a normal box, okay. I'm not going back in there. That was not fun. Yep, there's an anomaly. Okay, we're just gonna keep it flipping and flapping. Okay, drop that. There's 125. Okay. Check the cafe for any anomalies. Okay, never mind, I can't get in the cafe. More of these places really need to open their doors to pigeons. Especially helpful pigeons like me. Such a help. What in the hell? Why did it blow? Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh. That planter just grew legs and started chasing me. Oh my gosh, it's still on me. What do I do? Do I poop on it? There we go. It's dead. The chaos meter is rising too much. I'm trying to keep the chaos down to a minimum, but it's not very easy to do. There's an anomaly there. Dang it, I thought I sniped that. Okay, alright, great. So that's a traffic cone. Alright. Alright. Chaos meter is not that bad right now. This planter keep blowing me up. Ouch. Too many harmful anomalies around here. Here's an anomaly. And then there's another one. Okay. Do I have the thing to close the rifts? I don't think I have the thing to close the rifts. Stay in. No, that's a revealer. Son of a freaking frog. Okay, I have to go get these other anomalies. I don't have the sealer. This is just... Okay, it was just a normal mailbox a second ago. Okay. Okay. We're extracting. We're getting out of here. Extract anomalies. Why aren't they extracting? There it goes. Alright. We're gone. We're gone. We're gone. Oh my gosh, they're gonna kill me. We're getting out. We're leaving. Alright. Sweet. That's all we're gonna do for this one. That's all the footage I got for the bird game. I will be playing more bird game at later times, and I will upload them as well. And I will be streaming them over on my Twitch, which I will put in the YouTube. So, catch you guys later.